it's getting hot. Shake it up, pop, pop, pop. Okay, so can we recite once more?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes? Okay, come on. Popcorn, popcorn, sizzling in the pan. Shake it up, bam, bam, bam. Popcorn, popcorn, now it's getting hot. Shake it up, pop, pop, pop. Very good.
Yeah.
So what sound can you hear?
Pop.
Popping sound, right? Can we see? But be careful, you should not touch it. Okay, can we see how the popcorns are popping inside the pan? Yeah? Yeah, can you see? See?
Can you see? Oh.
Popcorn! Yay! The popcorn? Feel it. How is the popcorn? Is it cool or warm? Warm. How is the popcorn? Warm, right? So now you can taste it. Okay? You can tell me what is the taste of the popcorn? Is it spicy or salty or sweet? What is it? How is the taste of the popcorn? Is it spicy? Hot?
No.
Sweet? Is it sweet?
No.
And how is it? Salty? Warm. And what is the taste? Taste? Salty. So do you like popcorn? You love making popcorn? So you can make this popcorn even at your home with your mom's help. Popcorn, popcorn, sizzling in the pan. Shake it up, bam, bam, bam. Popcorn, popcorn, now it's getting hot. Shake it up, pop, pop, pop.